So in this video, you'll learn how to charge your Logitech MX Master 3S mouse. So the first step is to grab the charging cable, and all you need to do is simply go back to the box and get the charging cable that you received with the mouse. If you want to be able to identify it, you can just find the Logi logo on the Type-C end. So once you've gotten your charging cable, you then want to connect one end into a power supply. And once you've connected it to a power supply, you want to grab the other end and insert it into the charging port. So the charging port is located at the bottom of the mouse. So if you go to the bottom of the mouse at the top, you should see this charging port right here. So all you need to do is simply plug in the Type-C end into that port. So let's plug it in. And then ensure that it's put in properly, like that. So once you've done that, you can now be able to tell that it's charging. When you come to this LED light right here, you should see it blinking. Because it's blinking, it means that your mouse is now charging. So that's how you can charge your Logitech mouse. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.